Did you know that the European Union's adequacy decisions are like a digital passport for data? These decisions allow personal data to flow freely from the EU to countries with equivalent data protection standards. But here's the quirky part. The EU once granted adequacy to the tiny Isle of Man, a place known more for its motorcycle races than its data policies. This means the Isle of Man's data protection laws are on par with the EU's, making it a surprising data haven. So next time you think of data protection, remember the Isle of Man. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.